Did you know that owls can turn their heads almost all the way around? Or that they are silent hunters of the night? Owls, stay tuned as we uncover the amazing secrets of these mysterious birds. Owls are fascinating birds found all over the world. With over 200 species, they live in forests, deserts, and even cities. But what makes them so unique? Let's find out. Film projector. Owls have a secret weapon, stealth. Their feathers are specially designed to absorb sound, allowing them to swoop in without making a noise. This makes them one of nature's most skilled hunters. And check out those huge eyes. Owls can see perfectly in the dark, making them expert nighttime predators. But did you know their eyes don't move like ours? Instead, they move their entire head, almost 270 degrees. Owls have super hearing. Their ears are placed at different heights on their head, helping them pinpoint exactly where their prey is hiding, even under snow or leaves. This allows them to strike with deadly accuracy, catching mice, insects, and even fish. Did you know some owls play dead to trick predators? Or that baby owls are called owlets and look like fluffy cotton balls? Too cute. Owls have been symbols of wisdom, magic, and mystery for centuries. Ancient Greeks believed owls were companions of Athena, the goddess of wisdom, while some cultures think they bring messages from the spirit world. Owls are truly one of nature's most incredible creatures. Which owl fact amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing wildlife videos. Musical note.